Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Jeff from Antiques Network, how you doing today? The regular star is eating breakfast, so it's up to me holding the camera, so what's going on? What we have here is a Budweiser reverse glass sign. We think it's probably sometime in the early 2000s, but it's really just a great sign. It's in great condition, beautiful frame on it. And if you take a look at what they've done, you got all the condensation marks from a nice cold beer that would have been on there. So if you are a Budweiser fan, Brewmania in general, or just like vintage advertising, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.